Hey guys, Terrapup here, and we're gonna do a unboxing, but I've already pulled the stuff out. Um, I haven't opened the boxes that they came in, but I'm pretty excited because these are gonna be the last computers probably this year, except for the UE 2 X1 that should be coming soon. That I'll be reviewing and playing around with. I got quite a number of boards, so I'm trying to um, get those out of the way. Plus, I need producers. Most of the stuff that you guys see me doing, I do out of pocket. I'm not making this plead video, but um, it is costly. So, with that being said, I have two new Orange Pi boxes. Okay. I know you see three, but believe it or not, it is two. So we're going to put this one to the side first. And we're going to open up these. And then I'll get the scissors and open up the bag. And give me a second. I want a shot of tea. Never fails. I start recording and I want to call. Okay. So everybody's pretty excited about that. And you can see what it is. That is an Orange Pi Zero. And I'm pretty excited about this because I never got a Radix Zero, so, but this is now my third Pi, or Pi Zero. Oh, and this is the Zero 2, by the way. So let's put this over here so we can see. And next to it, I'm going to put a Raspberry Pi and Banana Pi. So this is pretty cool because this is the one that I ordered has 4 gigs. Okay, and I will be getting this up and running it, but today this is kind of an unboxing and comparing. So if I had a Radix Zero, I would put it here, but it's amazing that these are all considered zeros, about the size of a stick of gum. So, and this is, by the way, an original Pi Zero. Okay, and what's interesting is if you look at the Raspberry Pi, it's very clean, a lot of connectors where you can connect it up. The Banana Pi, okay, has a lot of stuff going on in the bottom, a lot of plugs and all that. And the Orange Pi is kind of clean too, and it's got some nice connectors. Now, over here is, you know what, I think I'm missing, unless I dropped it. The Orange Pi should have came with headers. I saw it in one of the bags, but let's go ahead and open this up real quick. And we're going to try not to damage the ribbon. But this, let's get this stuff out of the way. Okay. This is a nice little board because it's going to let me do Ethernet, and it gives me USB, and it gives me audio. And then over on the other side, okay, we got buttons and infrared, and I assume it's going to connect like this, but we'll go online and we'll take a look. So that's board number 1. Okay. And like I said, there should have been a header with it, but I don't know, maybe I'm confused, maybe I dropped it. I'll look here in a little bit. All right, board number 2. And I'm really excited about this one because this is another new board. Orange Pie's really been on their game this year, okay? Right. There we go. This is the Orange Pie CM4. And the reason I'm excited about that is, as you guys know, I've been working on projects where I'm still trying to get stuff on this. That's the Banana Pie Orange 4. But again, it's just nice having variety. Now, one thing I do need to point out, if you've seen my videos, you guys know that, let's put this to the side for a second, that the Banana Pie, here, let's put this up to the overhead a little bit, right there too. So the Banana Pie and Raspberry Pi CM4s have the same 100 pins on the bottom. And you can use a lot of the Raspberry Pi boards with the Banana board, okay? So this, oh, and by the way, Broadcom All-Winner Rock Chip. So let's see if I can pop this off without breaking anything. So I can show you guys the bottom of this. This one's a little bit different. So this is the development board, and it's about the size of a Raspberry Pi 4, okay? But it's got the 2, okay? 100, 50-50, so 100 pin. But it also has 24 pins over here, okay? So the bottom is a little bit different, okay? And I'll be doing more in-depth videos on these, but I wanted to just kind of show that there's a lot of variety. And Radix has a CM3, which I don't have, but these are all CM4s. Okay, so it's pretty impressive. Well, that's all I want to show right now. My next video will be this little guy, and I may have shown some stuff on him on the box. Oh no, sorry, wrong board, not that guy. Here he is, this guy. This is Libre Computer's new sweet potato pie, which is more or less the La Potatoes, the version 2. And I've been working on getting a video out for this. This one's very nice, a lot of color IOs, and it's really beautiful. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching, and a lot of stuff coming out. I'm going to leave some links below for Patreon, my Amazon wish list. If you like these videos, I would appreciate if you guys can help me out. If you can't help me out that way, please subscribe. Please like my videos, because if I can get up to the magic number, then I can start, getting a little bit back. But I promise I am going to continue to keep doing these videos, and hopefully you guys like them. I love the feedbacks and questions that I get from everybody. Okay, so thank you. So until next time, this is TerraPup. Peace.